Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on Cooking Up Love, we are making everyone's favorite holiday comfort food, creamy corn pudding casserole. There are lots of different corn pudding casseroles, and this is a recipe for a savory corn pudding that's light, fluffy, and creamy, kind of like a corn pudding souffle, thanks to a couple of eggs that we include in our recipe. It is absolutely delicious and has always been one of our son's favorites. It's super easy to make, and today he's making it for our Thanksgiving dinner. There's just a few ingredients that go into this, and I've listed them in the description box for you. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Next, melt 8 tablespoons of butter. For this recipe, we're going to mix everything together in one big bowl. Crack and whisk 2 eggs. These make our corn pudding casserole less dense than some other recipes. Whisk the 2 eggs thoroughly and then add a half teaspoon of kosher salt, and a half teaspoon of ground black pepper. Next, add the 8 tablespoons of melted butter. Add 2 cups of corn and use whatever you have on hand. I'm using 2 cups of frozen corn. You can also add fresh corn, or if you use a can of corn, just be sure to drain it. Pour in 1 can of cream corn, measure out and add 1 cup of sour cream, and this is going to add lots of flavor and keep our corn pudding moist. Next, add 1 package of Jiffy muffin mix. Sometimes I have a hard time finding this in our local store. Check the description box below to find out how to make a substitute. Okay, now mix this all up just like my helper here is doing. If this is your first time at our channel, we believe sharing homemade food spreads joy and touches lives, and we'll show you how to make delicious dishes you can proudly share with everyone you love. And I would love to have you join us every week when we share new recipes. Subscribe and ring the bell to find out when we've posted a new one. Next, butter up a medium-sized casserole dish. This will hold about the same as a 9x9. You can double this recipe to fill a 9x13 dish. Now pour this creamy corn pudding goodness into the dish. I'll just mix this around and then pop it into a 350 degree oven to bake for about 45 minutes until the casserole is just set with a little jiggle in the center, and it'll puff up and turn golden brown on top. Our boys love this corn casserole with just the simple flavor shining through. It's the perfect side dish for the holidays and so easy to personalize for your family with jalapenos, grated cheese, or topped with fresh herbs for some color. For more easy and delicious dishes to share with your favorite people at potlucks, parties, and barbecues, I've put together a playlist of side dishes that come together in minutes and disappear from the table just as fast. Hey, thanks so much for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video.